Now exercise 3.1, 3.2. Okay. In this 3.1, you have to remember, or you have to learn the test of divisibility. Okay, that is how you test a given number. Exercise 3.2. So start with the question number 1. Okay. So here, first I will just remind you the test of divisibility. So how will you test? For example, suppose you want to determine whether a given number is divisible by 2 or not. So what is the rule for this? Okay, you are given the rules here. Okay, this rule, there are rules here, and here see that the rules. So in this you are given all the rules. There are 11 rules. Okay, that is how to test whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, the test of divisible by 2, you have 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, that is, now first is the number 2. So if the, suppose you are given this number 304. Okay, this number is given 304. Then how will you know, or how will you determine whether this number is divisible by 2 without division? Okay, here we will not divide. Without division we will find the test. So here the test is very simple here. In case of 2, if you see the ones digit, okay, if you see the ones digit of the given number, okay, when you see the ones digit of the given number, then if it is even, okay, see here that it is even, so this number will be divisible by 2. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. And if suppose you have another number, okay, this number 305, so this number is divisible by 5 or not? Okay, so this number is not divisible by 2 because this is the odd number in this case. So this is how you will test by using this. Okay, and next is so what is the rule here? The rule is that a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. ठीक है, याद रखो इसमें कि अगर कोई भी नंबर 2 से डिवाइड तभी होगा जब उस नंबर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 होगा. ओके, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. अगर ये सब नंबर वंस प्लेस पर होगा तो वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, so it is clear. Then question number next is 3. How will you test a given number whether that number is divisible by 3? So इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए दूसरा रूल है. जैसे कि सपोज एक नंबर दिया हुआ है 314 दिया हुआ है, तो इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसका जो डिजिट्स है उसको प्लस करना है. 3 + 1 + 4, तो कितना आएगा? 4 + 1 5 + 3 8 आ गया इसमें. तो 8 यहाँ पर आ गया. तो 8 जो है, अगर 8 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, मतलब 8 जो है वो 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब ये नंबर भी 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द रूल. नाउ टेक अनदर नंबर. सपोज दिस इज 350. नाउ दिस नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है 3 + 1 + 5 इक्वल टू कितना होता है? 9 होता है. तो 9 होगा क्या? तो 9 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में आता है. ओके, इसका मतलब ये जो नंबर है 315 वो 3 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3. और 4 से क्या करेंगे? 4 से कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे? 4 से, तो 4 से कैसे करेंगे? तो उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जैसे मान लो कि एक नंबर लेते हैं 2046. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या है? ये 46 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. दैट इज you will see the digits at the ones place and the tens place. ठीक है, you will see the digit at the ones place and the tens place, and see that here at ones place it is 6 and at the tens place it is 4. So the number is 46. Okay, and अब ये देखना है कि जो 46 है वो 4 से डिवाइड होता है नहीं. Okay, so this number 46 is not divisible by 4, or therefore this number is also not divisible by 4. अगर मान लो example is 2048. Okay, now this is 48 here. So this 48 is divisible by 4, and therefore this number is divisible by 4. Okay, so this is the rule for the test of the divisibility by 4. Okay, so it is very easy here. Like in any number, अगर किसी भी नंबर में ones place पर 0 होगा या 5 होगा, वो नंबर 5 से डिवाइड हो ही जाएगा. Okay, that is if the digit at the ones place is 0 or 5, then that number must be divisible by 5. Okay, for example 0. ओके, अब यहाँ पर क्या है कि हमको ये अगर हमको पता लगाना है कि ये नंबर 5 से डिवाइड होगा या नहीं, तो हमको इसको डिवाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, इस पूरे नंबर को डिवाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ यहाँ देख लेंगे 0 यहाँ पर है, इसका मतलब ये 5 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, देयर इज नो नीड टू डिवाइड दिस होल नंबर टू फाइंड आउट वेदर दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. ओके, so and these rules, okay, you must remember, or you must learn all these rules to get by heart, because these rules help you in solving many questions in mathematics. Okay, so 5 is done, then 6. Now any number will be divisible by 6 only when that number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. मतलब कोई भी नंबर 6 से डिवाइड तभी होगा जब वो नंबर 2 से भी डिवाइड होगा और 3 से भी डिवाइड होना चाहिए. ओके, दोनों से होगा तभी वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा. और तुमको पता है कि कोई भी नंबर, जैसे कि एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल टेक एन एग्जांपल, सपोज 300. सपोज हियर 36. Okay, what is 36? What is bigger number here? Suppose this number. Okay, this number is 2048 here. Okay, and this number is divisible by 2. है ना, ये नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर वन स्पेस पर क्या है, इवन नंबर है. और ये नंबर 3 से होगा क्या, 8. This will not go by this will not be divided by 3. तो इसको चेंज करते हैं थोड़ा सा. Okay, we will change it here. Suppose right here 5. Okay, now see. अब क्या है यहाँ पर, now this number has 8 in the ones place, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, is clear? Next is that this number is also divisible by 3. कैसे? 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 8 कितना होता है, 15. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 2 is 15, and you know that 15 is divisible by 3, and therefore this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, and therefore this number is divisible by 6. Test of the divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between, okay, a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by the remaining digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Okay, so here I will give the example 2975. Okay, the example here is 2975, and we want to test whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. So this that is the test of divisibility by 7 is not important. Okay, this is not useful. This test is not much useful, but still it is given here, so we have to learn it. So here is that first you will find the twice. Okay, twice of this number, that is this is 5 here, so find the twice of 5. So twice of 5 is what, 2 into 5, that is 10. Okay, ये हो गया, and then you have these remaining numbers. So then 297 minus 10 करना है. Okay, so it will be 2, it will be here 2, 8 and 7. So 287 here. Now see that 287 is divisible by 7. Okay, 7 4 28 and 7 1 7. So it will be, so here you see that this number is divisible by 7 and therefore this number must be divisible by 7. So here the rule is this: any number is given, like this number is given, so find out the last digit, that is the ones digit. So and multiply this ones digit by 2, then you get here, suppose in this it is 10 here, and then here these are the remaining digits. So and these digits for this number 297, then 297 minus 10 will be this, and therefore and this is divisible by 7, therefore this whole number is divisible by 7. Okay, this is the rule. So take now next number 8. Now any number is divisible by 8, that is for the test of divisibility by 8, it is similar to 4. Okay, so in case like if you want to check whether a given number is divisible by 8, then क्या करेंगे इसमें? For example, like 2148. Okay, write this number. Now in this, see that here ones digit, tens digit, and the hundreds digit. Now, if these digits make a number 148, so if 148 is divisible by 8, then this whole number will be divisible by 8. So this is see here that this is divisible by 8 or not. So this is not divisible by 8. So therefore this number is not divisible by 8 also. So now we can make it divisible. Suppose here you write 6. Okay, if you write here 6, then it is 168. Now 168 is divisible by 8. Okay, 8 to the 16. So when this is 2168, then this number will be divisible by 8, because here the digits at ones place, tens place, ones place for a number that is 168. Okay, 168, and this number is divisible by 8, so this whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay, so this is the rule. Just like in case of 4, we see only the 2 digits here, but in case of 8, we see the 3 digits. Okay, so this is the rule for testing by 8. So, and for 9, so this is similar to 3. Again, in case of 9, we have to add all the digits. For example, take the other number like this. Okay, 2975. Okay, now here add 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5. So in this, find out 12 plus 9 कितना होगा? 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 हो गया इसमें. Okay. So आप देखते हैं क्या 23 जो है वो 9 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब ये नंबर 9 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. अब 9 से अगर suppose if you want to make it divisible by take another number. Okay. So right here that is 2970. Okay, this number will be divisible by 9. क्यों? Now 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 0 कितना हो जाएगा? 18 हो जाएगा हमारा. Okay, now see that 18 is divisible by 9, and therefore this number is divisible by 9. And here see that this number is not divisible by 9 because the sum of the digits is not divisible by 9. Okay, बता रहा है? Yes. And now 10. Okay, how you test whether a given number is divisible by 10 or not? So a number is divisible by 10 when the digit at the units place must be 0. Then it will always be divisible by 10. Okay. So for example 29750. Okay, यहाँ पर जोड़ दिया इसमें. So this number will be divisible by 10. So that is the rule is here only that the digit at the ones place must be 0. Then that number will be divisible by 10. Okay. Now the last one is 11. How will you test whether a given number is divisible by 11? So here again there is a rule, and this is little bigger. Take the example here 27,896. Okay, 27,896. So you have this number, and we have to test whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, this number. So what do we do here? Listen carefully. Here, see that digits. Okay, we will take 6, 8, 9 alternately. Okay, that is leaving the gap. So we have taken 6, 8 and 2. Okay, then here add 2 plus 8 plus 6, right? 16. Now add all these digits also, 7 and 9 also. So here 7 plus 9, that is also 16. Okay. Now 16 minus 16 is 0, and therefore now the difference is 0 here, and therefore this number must be divisible by 11. That is, the rule is here that you will find like this. Okay, you will find the sum of the alternate digits. Okay, you will find the sum of the alternate digits and then find the difference. And if the difference is 0 or 11 or the multiple of 11, okay, then the given number must be divisible by 11. Suppose here you have subtracted here and you got here 11. So in that case also this number will be divisible by 11. Okay. So this is the rule by 11. Now we will solve some questions here. Exercise 3.2. So question number 1. In this test the divisibility of the following number by 2. So here the first number is A. So here I will do only one question here. Okay. 562820. 562820. So here in this number, can you write that by 2? Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. You just write this, that the digit, because I explained you that when the digit at the ones place is 0, 2, 4 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. Okay. This is the first question. And similarly, you will solve other questions because all the questions are similar, and that is your homework. And question number 2. In this you have the first number 74912. So in this we have to test whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So here find the sum of the digits 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Now find the sum. It is 23 here. So here you write that 623 is 3. So the given number this is not 3. Okay. So you will find the sum, and if the sum is not divisible, then the number will also be not divisible by 3. Okay. This is the question number A, and I will explain you also another question number B in this. Okay. 59121. 59121. That is 59,121. And here find out the sum. 5 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to. Okay. So you must. So here I did two questions here A and B because this is not divided by 3. So I did also this. So now it is clear to you that how you will test by 3. Okay. Now other questions are the homework here in this. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Test whether a given number is divisible by 6 or not. Okay. 6 से test करना है यहाँ पर है. So take the first number. Here the first number is 34920. 34920. This number is here, and so here first ones digit equal to 0. So 34920 is by 2. Okay. Because we have to test whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not. तो क्या रूल होता है इसका रूल? That ये number, this number must be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. तो पहले आपने टेस्ट कर लिया कि ये number 2 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. So this number is divisible by 2 क्योंकि ones place पर 0 लिखा हुआ है. Okay. अब आगे देखते हैं इसमें. Now 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 0. What is the sum? It is 18 here. So since the sum of digits is divisible by 3, so this number is by 3. Can you write? Hence, here you write that thus 34920, that is 34,920 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Hence 34920 is by 6. Okay, so in this you will write the answer like this. Okay, and now other questions are your homework. Okay, now question number 4. The test the divisibility of the following number by 4. Okay, 4 से टेस्ट करना है ये नंबर 4 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. Okay, now see this 24,756. तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है here? Now see these two digits here. So here you write that since 56 is by 4, so 24,000, this is by 4. Okay, so this is here because the rule is this, that we have to look for the digits at the ones place and the tens place, and the number formed by the digit at the ones place and the tens place is divisible by 4, then the whole number must be divisible by 4. Okay, so now you will solve the questions. Okay, so this is the question number 5, 5C, and in this we have to test whether a given number is divisible by 8. So here is the question number C, and this is the number 3,95,282, and here the number formed by last 3 digits, that is the last 3 digits here, 282. Okay, these are the 3 digits, and the number formed by these last 3 digits is 282. Okay, but if you divide this in the rough, and then you will see that this number 282 is not divisible by 8, and therefore the given number is not divisible by 8. Okay, here is the answer. The question number B also I did, and here see, observe the last 3 digits, that is 1 to 8, and the number formed by these 3 digits is 128, and 128 is divisible by 8, and therefore this number, that is 4,92,128 is divisible by 8. Okay, so and the next question is number 6. In this we have to test whether a given number is divisible by 5 as well as by 10. Okay, so here I did the first question A, and this is the number 27,035, and this number is here in this ones digit. Okay, ones digit in this number is 5, so this number is divisible by 5, but this number will not be divisible by 10 because here we don't have 0. Okay, the next number is B here. Question number B, 68,590, and here observe the ones digit. Ones digit in this number is 0. Okay, this is 0. So in this the ones digit is 0, and hence this number is divisible by 5 as well as 10. That is this. Okay, so and I did not solve the questions, so that is the homework. Now question number 7. Okay, these are the questions. Now question number 7. So the question number 7 is, in this test the divisibility of the following number by 7. Okay, 7. So the first question I will take is here the number 1, 7, number 1. In this the number is 10,822. Okay, this is the number. और हमें टेस्ट करना है कि ये नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा या नहीं. Okay, so what is the rule for testing a given number whether it is divisible by 7 or not? The rule is here, first observe the ones digit. Okay, we will take the ones digit here. Ones digit equal to 2. Okay, now twice of 2 equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay, and the number formed by the remaining digits equal to this, that is now just to cross this number. Okay, now we have this number. Okay, 1082 here. Okay, now find the difference. Okay, 1082 minus 4. Okay, now subtract this, so you will get here 8, and then you have 7 here, and 0, then 1. Now अब ये देखना है कि ये नंबर 7 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. अगर ये नंबर 7 से डिवाइड होगा तो ये नंबर भी 7 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो फाइंड आउट 37. Yes, it is divisible by 7. Okay, this number is, you can find here in the row that 7 1 ja 7, then 3 7, 5 ja 35, then 2, then 8, 7 4 ja 28. So 0. So this number is divisible by 7, and therefore, okay, this number. So here you will write that thus 1078 is divisible by 7, and hence 10,822 is by 7. Okay, this is the method by testing by 7. Okay, now you will do the other questions yourself because there are 3 questions also. Now question number 8. In question number 8, we have to test whether the given number is divisible by 11 or not. So here take the question number C. So in this the number is 2,46,928. Okay, now here I explained you, okay, before beginning this exercise, that here you will find the sum of the alternate digits, है ना. हमको यहाँ पर क्या करना है, जो alternate digits है, मतलब एक को छोड़कर के, लेकिन इसको और फिर इसको यहाँ पर है, ठीक है. अब देखो यहाँ पर ये हो गया इसमें, यहाँ पर फिर इसके बाद ये बच गया इसमें, ये और ये बच गया इसमें. तो फिर उनको सम निकालना है. यहाँ पे क्या करना है इसमें, like 2 plus 6 plus 2 equal to कितना आ जाएगा 10, and also here 8 plus 9 plus 4, 8 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 21. Okay, so here the sum of the alternate digits is 10 and 21. Now find the difference. Okay, here now difference equal to 21 minus 10, and that is 11. Okay, hence the given number 2,46,928 is divisible by 11. Okay, this is the rule. So you must remember all the rules. Okay, if you don't remember the rules, then it will be difficult to find out the answer. So you must learn all the rules here. So here see, the rule is that first you will find the sum of the digits, that is sum of the alternate digits. Okay, like this and this, and then find the difference. If the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then the given number will be divisible by 11. Okay, So now the question number. So in this question number A, the question is 56 star and then you have 3. And other question is B, and in this we have 72 star 86. Okay. So these are the two questions I will solve. And in this the question is each of the following numbers replace star by a smallest possible number to make them divisible by 11. हमको क्या करना है कि स्टार की जगह पे एक हमको एक डिजिट लिखना है, और जिसके चलते क्या होगा कि ये जो होल नंबर है वो 11 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके. So here we have to write a digit in place of star so that this whole number will be divisible by 11, and that this star, that is the digit at this place must be the least number. Okay. So find out this first. Okay, this 5, 6, 3 here. So you have this. Okay, that is, I told you that you will find the alternate digits here. Okay, alternate means here that this digit, then this digit, and then you have this and this. So here 6 plus 3 equal to how much here? 9, and then here 5 and star. 5 plus star, and we don't know here, and you know that is if this number is divisible by 11, then what should be the condition? The condition is that here the sum of the alternate digits must be equal to 0 or the multiple of 11 here. So see here that if you write 9 in this place, if you write 9, suppose it is 9 here. So 9 and 9 will be 0. So it means that here, so here see that since 9 minus 9 equal to 0, and therefore star will be equal to how much? 4 here. Okay, so here if you write 4 in place of star, then the number, therefore the number is, so the number equal to 5, 6, 4, 3. Now this number will be divisible by 11. That is, the answer will be here in place of star we will write here 4, because here I have found here that 6 plus 3 is 9 here, and 5 plus star also equal to 9, or it should be 11 also. Okay. Here if you write here 11, not 11 here, suppose it is here 0, and the difference may be 11 also. Okay, the difference may be 11, but to make the difference 11, what should be here? That is, it should be here 20. Okay, it should be 20. To make the difference of these two 11, it should be 20 here, because 20 plus 9 will be 11. And now see that here 5 plus digit here. That is, you have the largest digit is 9 only. Okay, the largest digit is 9. So 5 plus 9 will be only 14 here. So that is not possible here. So we have to take the digit here only 4. So here 4 is the suitable answer in this case, right? So here the answer will be only 4, because we cannot take the digit more than 9, because digit is only 1. That is, you have the digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have only 10 digits, and we can write any one of them, and here we cannot write 2 digits here. You cannot write here 15. Okay. So here you have only 4. So here you must be 9, so that 9 is 0, and for this 9 it must be here 4, and therefore the answer is here 4. And question number B. In question number B, in this you have, see, the digits here, alternate digits, this and this, and then you have this and this. So here find the sum of this. That is 7 plus star and plus 6 equal to, leave it here, and then you have 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Okay. Now here see it is 10. Okay, then now see that in okay, here that the difference. Okay, the difference of these two must be 0 or 11. Okay, remember this, है ना, याद रखना है कि यहाँ पर जो difference है वो हमको या तो 0 लाना है, या फिर 11 होगा, या फिर 22 होगा इस तरह से. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, देखो 6 plus 7 is 13. तो अब यहाँ पर क्या है कि it is 7 plus 6 is 13 here. So it 13 plus 0. Suppose you have to get 0 here. So 13 plus 0 will be 13, and the difference of 13 and 10 is not equal to 0 or 11. So here we will not write 0, and see that here the sum of 7 and 6 is 13. Okay, so the sum of these digits will never be 10. Okay, remember this. The sum of these digits will never be 10 because here it is only 7 and this is 6 here. So the sum of 7 and 6 is 13. Then how can it be 10? So here you have to make this something different here. And here you will write 21. Okay, 21. See that 21 minus 10 will be 11. 21 minus 10 is what? 11. Okay, so here you have to make this sum 21. So for this 21, what should be the digit at this place here? So 6 plus 7 is 13. Therefore here the star will be equal to 21 minus 13. That is 8 here. Okay, this will be 8. So here the answer of this will be yes. That is in this case the answer will be this. That is 8. So when you write 8 in place of this, then the whole number will be divisible by 11. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. And now you will have the homework in this chapter, in this exercise. And the question number 10 is also your homework. Okay. Now the next exercise 3.3. Write the prime factors of the following numbers. Okay, we have to write the prime factors of the given numbers. So we will find the prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization of the first question. Write the prime factors of the following. So the question number 1a, the number is 216, and find the prime factors of this. So how will you write? First find the prime factorization. So this, okay. So therefore the answer is 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, this is the answer of this question, and this is called the prime factorization. Okay, and you see that all these numbers in this are prime. Okay, here 2 and 3 are both prime. So this is the prime factorization of this number. Okay. Now other questions are here over like B, C and D because all are similar. So you can find out, and I have also solved many of these questions in the PDF. So you can also see the solutions. So now question number 2, find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. Okay, common factors of the following pairs of numbers. We have to find the common factors. So how will you find the common factors? So first write the question. Question number 2. You have the number 44 and 72. Okay, and find the common factors of 44 and 72. So first find the factors of this. Okay, the factors of 44. Factors of 44. So what are the factors of 44? So you can do some rough work here, or in the answer also you can do. Like first 44. Okay, 44 equal to 1 into 44, 2 into 22, and this will not go by 3. So it will go by 4. Then write 4 into 11. So now stop here. So you have, and also for 72. 72 equal to, it will be very long. So 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, then 4 into 18, and 5. So then 6 into 12, 8 into 9. Okay, now so the factors. So you write here the factors of 44. So factors are here 1, 2. Not right here, okay, right here. One, 2, 4, 11, 22, and 44. And the factors of 72 are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, then 36, and then 72. Now write the common factors. Okay, so here the common factors are here this 2 and this here 4 also. and so only this one, that is the common factors. Are 1, 2 and 4. Okay, these are the common factors of 44 and 72. So in the same way you will solve other questions in this question number 2. Now question number 3. Find the HCF of the following numbers using the prime factorization method. Okay, we have to find the HCF by using the prime factorization method. So first question number A. In this the number is 18 and 118. 18 and 118. These are the two numbers. So we have to find the HCF. So what is the meaning of HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. So here first find 18 here, the PF of 18. That is the prime factorization of 18. 2 times 18, then 3, then 3, then 1. And for 118, so we will have 2. That's it. So here you will write 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3, and 118 equal to 2 into 59. So here see what is common here. So you have only this much common here. Okay. So here you will write that HCF equal to only 2. Okay, so the HCF of this will be 2, means that in these two numbers there is a factor which is common, that is 2, and this is the highest factor, that is इन दोनों नंबर में जो सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर है वो क्या है 2 है, मतलब 2 जो है वो सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर है और ये दोनों में कॉमन भी है. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेथड. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर C, 250 and 450. Question number C, 250 and 450. We have to find the HCF of this number. HCF. So first factorize this 250. So this is the factorization of these two numbers. Then you will write that 250 equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. And 450 equal to 2 is there, and also your 5 and 5, so write 5 here, and then write here 3 and 3. Okay, now see the common here. Okay, we will take only the common, which are, that is, now see that here this 2 is in both numbers, so we will circle this here, and also see that these two numbers are also common, and these two are also common. Okay, and these two are not common, so we will make this. So here you will write the HCF. In this case, the HCF will be 2 into 5 into 5. That is 50. So 50 is the HCF of this and this. Okay, that is 50 is the highest number. Okay, 50 is the highest number which will divide these two numbers exactly. That is why 50 is the HCF of these two numbers. Now, question number 4. Find the HCF of the following using the long division method. Okay. So there are many methods here, like the factor method, then the prime factorization method, then the long division method. So this is the prime factorization method, and in this next question we are going to find the HCF by the long division method. So the question number 4. Here the numbers are 575 and 920. We have to find the HCF of these two numbers by using the long division method. So here in this you will divide the larger number by the smaller number. So here divide this 575. So this number will go by 1. So write here 1 and then write here 7. This remainder will be the new divisor. Okay, this remainder will be the new divisor, and the new dividend will be this. Okay, that is in the first step. Okay, in the first step, this is the larger number is the dividend and this smaller number is the divisor. Okay, and here we have divided here and we have got this remainder. Now in the next step, this remainder will be the new divisor and this divisor will be the new dividend. So here you will write dividend 575. Okay, see that here in the first step. Okay, this is the first step here, and in this is the dividend. 920 is the dividend and 575 is the divisor. Now after division we got the remainder this. Then this remainder will be the new divisor and this old divisor will become the new dividend here. Okay, now divide this number again. So it will again go by 1. So 345, then minus 0 and 2. Then again repeat the process. Now this remainder will be the new divisor and this old divisor will be the new dividend. And we will repeat this process till we get the remainder 0. Okay, जब remainder 0 आ जाएगा तब हम इसको stop कर देंगे और जब तक 0 नहीं आएगा तब तक हम ये करते रहेंगे. Okay, so here now see that in this step we will get the remainder 0. 0 आ गया. Okay, so in this last step, okay, this is the first step here. Okay, this is the first step here. Then you have this next step here. And then you have this the third step, and this is here the fourth step. Okay, now see that the first, the second, then third, then fourth. So in the last step we got the remainder 0. So therefore the last divisor, okay, the last divisor will be the HCF. So here we will write HCF equal to 115. Okay, so this is the process. So I think it is clear to you. Okay, remember this process. And if you have three numbers, okay, if you have three numbers, suppose you have 1, 2 and 1 more number there. So again you will repeat this process. So here I will explain you by taking one more question, question number D. Okay, I will do question number D because in this you have three numbers. So see how it is done. This is the same as this question. Question number 4 and D. In this the numbers are 320 and 420 and 180. Okay, these are the three numbers. Okay, so in this you can take any two numbers. Like suppose I will take these two numbers. Okay, then here divide 420, that is larger number, by the smaller number. Okay, then divide 1. So 0. Therefore, now 20 is the HCF of this and this. Okay. Now divide this number by 20. Okay. This number, last number, by 20 because we have got the HCF of these two numbers. Then 180 divided by 20 now, and 29 is 180 here. So 0, and therefore HCF of those three numbers is equal to 20. That is, the HCF of these three numbers is equal to 20. So this is the process of finding the HCF by long division method for three numbers. Okay. So now the question number 5 I will not do because in this question number 5 you have to find the HCF. Okay. Find the greatest number which can divide 36, 81 and 108. Okay. So this question is just to find. You will have to find the HCF of the given numbers because okay. Now question number 6. Find the greatest number which can divide 89, 53 and 77, leaving a remainder 5 in each case. And here also we will find the HCF, but here there is a little bit difference. So you are given the number 89, 53 and 77. Okay. And here it is given that find the greatest number which can divide this and this, leaving the remainder 5 in each case. So first we will subtract 5 from the given number. Okay. First you will subtract 5. You will get 84 and 53 minus 5 equal to 48 and 77 minus 5 equal to 72. Now find the HCF of these three numbers. Okay. So find the HCF here. So take here 84 and 72 or 84 and 48. So divide 84 and 48. So it will go by 1. So the HCF of 48 and 84 is 12. Now find the HCF of 72 and 12. So 72 divided by 12 equal to 12 6 are 72, then 0, and therefore HCF is equal to 12. So therefore the required number is this. Okay. Number equal to 12. Okay, this is the answer. So in this you will solve the question like this. Okay. First you will subtract 5 from each number, and then you will get the resulting numbers, these, and find the HCF of these three numbers, and that will be the answer. Now if you divide, okay, if you divide this number by 12, you will get remainder 5, and if you divide this also, you will get 5 remainder, and if you divide this number by 12, again you will get the remainder 5. Okay, you can check your answer by dividing in the graph. Okay, so the next question is now I will not solve this question number 7 and 8 also. Now I will solve question number 9. Okay, that is I will solve question number 9, and other questions are your homework. So in 9 you have to find the HCF. Okay, in question number 9 you have to find the HCF of the given number. You have the number 360. So here the numbers are 360, 405, and the other number is 495. Okay, and we have to find the HCF of this number by you can use any method, but if in the question nothing is written, then you will find the HCF by any method of your choice. Okay, but here if you find the HCF by the division method, then it will be easier for the larger numbers. Okay, so here find the HCF by the division method here. So divide this number by this number. You can take any number. Okay. So divide any larger number by the smaller number. So this now 45 to the 90. It will go by 8. Okay, see. Yes, it will go by 8. So this will be 360 here, 0, and therefore this is the HCF of these two numbers. Then find the HCF of 45 and this number. So again do the division, 495 and divided by 45. So 45 and 45, and here 5 and 5. It is 45 here. So again divide 45 by 45. So it will go by this. So therefore the HCF. Okay, you will write the HCF equal to 45. That is the HCF of these three numbers is 45. Okay, so this is the end of this exercise. Now exercise 3.4. In this, and you will solve all those questions. Okay, and those questions are your homework. And now in the next exercise we will learn how to find the LCM by using the prime factorization method, or the long division method, or finding the common factors. Okay, so LCM. Okay, in this you have the LCM means the least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple. Least common multiple. So vectors means vectors, and here the least common multiple. So I will start the first question here. Question number 1. Find the LCM of the following by the prime factorization method. Okay. So the numbers are here. Question number B. Okay. So here 45, 70 and 90. So we have to find the LCM by using the prime factorization method. So find the prime factors of this. And then 70 and 90 here. So these are the prime factorization of this. Then write 45 equal to 3 into 5, and 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7, and 90 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so here see that in this nothing is common. Okay, so that is here, see that here 5 is only common. Okay, only 5 is common here. See, 5 is common only, and no other number is common. Okay, so then here you will write the LCM. LCM equal to, here 5 is common, then write 5 only once, and then write all the numbers here. Now see that here 3 here appears twice here, so 3 into 3, and here also 3 into 3, so write here 3 into 3. Okay, then next 2 here appears once, then write here also 2, and 7 here, then write 7 also, then multiply all these numbers, then that will be the LCM. So 5 to 10 here, and 7 here 21, 3 here 63. So answer will be 630. So the LCM will be here 630. So here this is the least common multiple of these three numbers. Okay, मतलब इन तीनों नंबर का जो सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल है वो है 630. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि if you divide this number by 45 or 70 or 90, this number will be completely or exactly divisible by 45 or 70 or 90. Okay, and this is the least number. मतलब ये सबसे छोटा नंबर है जो कि इन तीनों नंबर से exactly divide हो जाएगा, and we can find many more numbers, but this is the smallest number. Okay, which is divisible by these three numbers. So this is the LCM. Now other questions. Number 2, find the LCM of the following by division method. Okay, division. Now this is the method. This is called the prime factorization method. So I explained you how to do it. Okay, and you can do the prime factorization by this, that is find the prime factors and then write like this. Okay, this is here the important part here. Then how will you write the numbers? So here you can understand that first find the common numbers. If there are some common numbers, then write only once. Okay, so here 5 is common, and then here it is suppose here 3 is not common. So you will find the maximum number of times 3 occurs here. So here it is only twice here, so write 3 into 3, and here 2 occurs only once, so write also 2, and 7 occurs only once, then write also this, and then you will have this LCM. Now LCM by the long division method. Question number 2. So here question number 1 I will do. Okay, 24, 27, 30 and 90. Then write like this and then this here. Okay. Now first start by 2. Okay, because here the numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so start with 2. Now divide 24 by 2. You will get 12. 27 is not divisible by 2. So write here 27. And 30 is divisible by 2. So write here 15. And 90 is also divisible by 2. So here write 45. Because if you divide 90 by 2, you will get 45. And here now in these type of questions, that the rule of divisibility, okay, will be very very important. Okay, so you must learn the rule of divisibility. Okay, so you will find quickly whether these numbers are divisible by 2 or by 3. So it will be very very useful. So now next, 2 6 are 12, then 27, then 50, and then this. Okay, because this number will go by 2, so 2 6 are 12 here, and these numbers are not divisible by 2, so we will write these numbers as it is. Okay, now again 6 is divisible by 2, so write here 2 3 or 6, then 27. Now see that in this, like in these 4 numbers, no number is divisible by 2, so you will start with 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 15 ja 45. Okay, next again try with 3. So here 1 write, and 3 3 ja 9, then write 4, and 3 5 ja 15. Then again 3, then 1, then 1, and 5 and 5. Okay. 3 1 3 here, and 5 will not go by 3, so write 5 here. Now last number is 5. So 1, 1, and 1, and 1. Now it is finished. Then LCM equal to, write all the numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So what is the answer here? Multiply all these numbers. So what is the answer? First multiply 5 to 10. Okay. Then 3 3 9, 3 27, 2 54, 54 to 108. So here this. Okay, this is the LCM of these 4 numbers. Now next question. Find 2 common multiples of the following numbers. Okay, 2 common multiples. So here question number C. Okay, 3C. So the multiples. Okay, that is your 8 and 12. So multiples of 8. Okay, I made here in short here. You will write in copy that multiples of 8 equal to, that is first is 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24. And so on. If there is no end of this, then multiple of 12. Now here, yes, now see that the common multiple, okay? Equal to 24 and 48. Okay, these are the first 2 common multiples of 8 and 12. Okay. There are many multiples which are common, but in the question you are told to write only the first 2 common multiples. Okay, so here we have the only first 2 common multiples. You see here 24, and here also 24, and here 48, and also 48 here. If you write, then also 72 is also common. Okay, but we will not write that because in the question you will write only 2 common factors. So similarly you will solve other questions. Okay. Now I will solve question number 5. Okay, you will do for yourself. Okay, the product of 2 numbers is 800 and the LCM is 400. Find the LCM. Okay, question number 5. So here there is a property. Okay, that there is a formula, like if you are given any 2 numbers. Okay, if you are, suppose here you have 8 and 12. Okay, so if you have 8 and 12, then the HCF. Okay, if you find the HCF of these 2 numbers, it will be 4. Okay, the HCF will be 4, and LCM will be here 24. Okay, so here if you find the HCF of these 2 numbers, it will be 4, and if you find the LCM of these 2 numbers, it will be 24. Now see, there is a property here. If you multiply HCF and LCM here, 4 into 24, that is 96, and multiply these 2 numbers, that is the product of numbers equal to 8 into 12, that is 96. Now see here that these 2 are equal. Okay, so that is this is the formula here. The product of the HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. Okay, so this is the property here. So by using this property, we will find the answer of question number 5. Here you are given the product of 2 numbers is 800 and the LCM is this. So find the HCF. So here you will write HCF equal to what? HCF equal to the product of numbers by their LCM. Okay, and we are given the product of numbers. This is 800. And here it is. Okay, so this is the HCF of this answer will be here that HCF is equal to the product of numbers by LCM. and here in this question you are given the product of numbers, that is 800, and LCM is also given. So when you divide 800 by 400, the answer is 2. So here the HCF is in this case 2. Okay, so you must learn the formula. Okay, the formula is okay. So question number 8. Okay, find the smallest 4-digit number that is exactly divisible by 36, 40 and 45. Okay, this question number 8. We have to find the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, so first write smallest 4-digit number. What is for the smallest 4-digit number? It is 1000. Okay, and the numbers are here. The smallest 4-digit number that exactly divided by 36, 40 and 45. So 36 we will find the LCM. Okay, 36, 40 and 45. Okay, these are the three numbers. And now first understand the question. Okay, in this question you are given that we have to find the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, the smallest 4-digit number which must be divisible by these three numbers exactly. Okay, so इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि सबसे पहले हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि इसका LCM निकालना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो LCM निकालना पड़ेगा. तो नंबर क्या होता है? अगर हम इसका LCM निकालेंगे तो एक नंबर आएगा. ओके, तो इसका LCM आएगा तो एक नंबर आएगा, जो भी नंबर होगा आएगा. ओके, और वो जो नंबर है वो नंबर 36, 40 और 45 इन तीनों से डिविजिबल होगा. क्लियर? ओके, तीनों से डिविजिबल होगा. लेकिन वो नंबर जो है वो 4 डिजिट का होगा या नहीं होगा पता नहीं. ठीक है, लेकिन मतलब कोई नंबर होगा, मान लो 3 डिजिट का नंबर होगा. लेकिन हमको निकालना है कि the smallest 4 digit number which must be divisible by all these three numbers. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा इसमें? पहले इसका निकालेंगे LCM. तो जो LCM आएगा, तो जैसे ही मान लो इसका LCM सपोज आ गया, मान लो 100 आ गया. ठीक है, इन सब का LCM 100 आ गया. तो 100 का इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 100 जो है वो इससे और इससे सबसे डिविजिबल होगा. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट केस एक्चुअली बट जस्ट आई सपोज. सो 100. तो अब क्या होगा कि इसका जो मल्टीपल होगा, इसका जो भी मल्टीपल होगा वो भी इससे डिवाइड होगा. अगर मान लो इसमें 2 कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 200 हो जाएगा. सो दिस 200 विल आल्सो बी डिविजिबल बाय दिस. अगर तुम लिख दो यहाँ पर 100 into 25 कर दो तो ये हो जाएगा दिस. तो ये नंबर भी क्या हो जाएगा? इससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो ये यहाँ पर देखना है. तो इसलिए क्या करना है? पहले इसका निकालना है LCM. ओके, सो फाइंड आउट द LCM ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट. Now the LCM. What is LCM now? LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So how much is the answer? 5 3 are 10 and 3 3 are 9, 3 are 18, 3 are 36. So it is 360. Okay, so now see that the LCM of this and this is 360 here. It means that this number 360 is divisible by 36, 40 and 45. Okay, अब इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि इसका जो मल्टीपल होगा, मल्टीपल मतलब इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो क्या हो जाएगा? If you multiply 360 by 2 it will be 720. तो ये नंबर भी क्या होगा? This number will also be divisible by these three numbers. ठीक है, अगर हम इसको इस नंबर को 360 को हम मान लो कि 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो you will have this number. Okay, and this number will also be divisible by this. कहने का मतलब ये कि इस नंबर का कोई भी मल्टीपल इन तीनों नंबर से divisible होगा. अब यहाँ पर है the smallest 4-digit number is this, but this is not our answer. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है कि अब इसको डिवाइड करना है 360 से. So फाइंड करो. So divide 1000 by 360. तो क्या होगा इसमें? 36 3 ja, it will be more. Okay, so take 2 here. 36 2 ja, so it will be 720. Then now this is the remainder in this case, because now we cannot divide further. So this is the remainder, and here 2 is the quotient. Now here see that you have here got this quotient here 2 and remainder this, and this is here. So it means that if you multiply 360 by 2, you will get 720. Okay. So it means that because this 1000 is not divisible by this, but we have the close number here, that is 720. Then next number will be the number here. So here the required number of smallest 4 digit equal to, it will be 360 into 3. ओके, यहाँ पर 2 आया इसमें, तो इसको 3 करके इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो फिर आंसर आ जाएगा, क्योंकि 360 into 2 क्या होगा? It will be 720, and 360 into 3 क्या हो जाएगा इसमें? This will be 1080. Now see that this is the smallest 4-digit number, because this is the multiple of 360 here. So this is the smallest 4-digit number which will be divisible by these 3 numbers. So the answer is 1080. Okay. So you will solve the question like this. Okay. So now this is done, and question number 9 is also similar. Okay. And then there is a last question number 10. Okay. Here I will do the question number 10. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है? In this question, 4 bells ring at intervals of 8, 10, 12 and 14 minutes respectively. At what time will they again ring together if they rang together at 7 a.m. ठीक है? मतलब क्या है कि यहाँ पर 4 घंटियाँ हैं. ओके, 4 घंटियाँ हैं, और ये घंटियाँ मतलब जो बजती हैं वो उसका इंटरवल दिया हुआ है. अगर मान लो कि एक घंटी अगर बज गया अभी 4 bells ring at the intervals 8, मतलब 8 मिनट. ओके, दैट इज 8 मिनट्स के अंदर पे मतलब बजता है. लाइक 1 bell ring after 8 minutes, then other at after 10 minutes, then third at after 12 minutes, and the fourth after 40 minutes. इस तरह से मतलब ये बजते हैं. तो अगर चारों घंटियां 7, that is all the 4 bells ring at 7 a.m. है ना, चारों घंटियां 7 a.m. पे बजती हैं. तो फिर अगला टाइम कौन सा होगा जब वो चारों घंटियां एक साथ बजेगी? तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Here we will find the LCM of this number 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay. Here 8, 10, 12 and 14 का LCM निकालना है. This is the time, that is 840 minutes. Okay, this is the LCM of these 4 numbers. This is not the answer. Okay, at what time will they again ring together? So this is 840 minutes. Now convert this into hour. So 14 hours. Okay, so here the time is 14 hours here. So and in the question you are given that all the 4 rings bell at 7 a.m. So after 14 hours what would be the time? So after 14 hours what would be the time here? So you have 7 a.m. That is, now here you will write that 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is equal to 0700 hours. Okay, and you will write here that 14 hours equal to 1400 hours, that is 14 hours and 00 minutes here. Now here you will add these 2 numbers, that is 0700 hours and 1400 hours, and then add here 00 and here 21. Okay, so now here 21 hours, and then subtract 2100 hours, and then here subtract 1200 hours to convert this into 12-hour clock. So that is here. So the next time is, so here the next time is 9 p.m. Okay, that is all the bells will ring at 9 p.m. at the same time. That is all the four bells will ring again at 9 p.m. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, so now this is the end of this chapter as well as this exercise. Okay, so I have left many questions and all those questions are your homework. Okay, so keep watching all the videos and then thank you for watching.